So there we go. I'm going to make some merchandise with the "so" part that I'm saying in every video. The BMW M140i, rear-wheel driven and a manual gearbox. This car freaking hell. This car, look at the, oh my god. Oh, the fuel's empty. Oh, there we go. This car is crazy. This is absolutely insane. It is a toy. I drive the BMW M2 on a daily basis. I sometimes go to the track, and what I encounter with that car is that it is very good at the track. So the new generation BMW M2 G87 is very good at the track, very good at daily driving and everything. But it is very expensive to change brakes, tires all the time because of the weight of the car. But it is fast. It is a really good platform. I think it's one of the best platforms I've ever driven. But this car, this is a BMW F20 M140i manual rear-wheel drive. The owner of the car upgraded the brakes, upgraded the suspension with some Bilstein coilovers. Limited slip diff has been changed at the rear. It also has some kind of bracing to it from the M240i to make it a little bit more rigid. We tuned the car properly, 484 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque. That is some serious power. I will also put a little clip in here what this will do to a M3 G80 with 510 horsepower and 650 Newton meters stock. Because this car is faster than a stock BMW M3 G80. The only thing letting it down is my gear shifts because it's a manual. In a very long pull, this car is just faster or as fast as an M3 G80, and it is incredible.
100. 200.
The setup is insane, as you could see on my driving and the pleasure that I had while driving. The only downside, there's one downside with this car. No matter what you do, so to the chassis, to the bracing, without a roll cage, the chassis is flexing too much. You can really feel that when driving. It's like a little bit wobbly. The tires and the suspension are already making up for it, of course. But still, the chassis rigidity, it will not disappear. It is a very cool car, and I'm just comparing it to the previous video, to the Volkswagen Golf 7.5 TCR with the long name. It's very hard for me to choose between these two cars because the Golf has like the DSG gearbox, and on a daily basis it can be a little bit more convenient. But yeah, if you don't drive in any traffic at all, I mean, I don't drive in traffic during my working hours. It's perfectly capable to have a manual gearbox car, so a manual car just like this M140i. And then you have a beast of an engine, so the B58 with the upgraded fuel pump, a catless downpipe, and that's it. Upgraded fuel pump and a catless downpipe. That's it. And of course our custom tuning sauce that you get, or the juice. It is really incredible. I mean, it is currently 31.5 degrees ambient temperature, and it is still 10 o'clock or something like that. It will get up to 40 degrees today. It's very hot here in the Netherlands these days. And this car performing 484 horsepower with these kind of ambient temperatures on 98 drum fuel, it is absolutely incredible. This car was tuned before as well by someone else, so not by me. The tuning was pretty good, and so the previous tuner made a good job. It did not have the fuel pump upgrade yet, and also with the stock catalytic converter, it was doing a proper job with a regular stage 1 tuning, but properly calibrated. I could really see that in the logs, so it was a good valve. But we made it better, of course, according to the hardware modifications. The reason why this owner came to us is because of the previous owner of this car. He switched to a BMW M2 G87 manual rear-wheel drive, and that is a car that we tuned to absolute perfection as well, because that guy, like a semi-racing driver, he goes to the track a lot with other racing cars, and he expects some kind of a same result for his own car on a daily basis as well, and that was the M2 G80. So the previous owner recommended us for the new owner of this M140i to tune it properly, and I think according to the results that we get on the dyno and the Dragy numbers that you will see in a manual car, we have accomplished that pretty well. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Yeah.